Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to do the eyebrow mod on your headlights. I've made a post on Facebook, and a lot of you guys have asked for a video, so this is my video to show you how to do it, since the ones I found really don't explain. Like I said, it's $7. You get the part at AutoZone, and it's pretty straightforward. So all you do is you reach in, get your headlight unplugged. And when it comes from factory, where I have this red wire run to, where this red wire is run to, it's actually going to be empty. You'll have a brown, yellow, and a green wire plugged in, and this pin right here will actually be, there won't be anything in it. So what you're going to do, it's best to get a small screwdriver. You're going to pry this cover up on both sides. Get it loose so we can pull it off. Careful you don't lose this. Then I'm going to pull mine out. When you go to AutoZone, I found this one. I believe that's the part number right there, 91443. It's a 4-wire pigtail. It looks like this. It comes in a pack with the male and female end. This is the male end. All you want to do is remove the cover that comes on here on both sides. And then you're just going to take your wire and you're going to pull it out. And it'll give you an end that looks like this. It already comes with the rubber seal, so this way it seals down inside of your plug. And then what you want to do is you want to take your plug and you want to orient which side the squared part is on. And you want this part to be on the bottom. So you're just going to take that, like I said, you're going to orient it. In this case, it's on the bottom of it. So I'm going to take my plug, and I'm going to insert it into the factory plug, and push it as far as I can. Until you can see that it seats all the way up in there. And then I just crimp connected to my power wire. And I did it on the same headlight over here. Ran it over here to this headlight, and then I spliced them together, crimped it onto another power wire, and I'll show you guys in a minute. But I ran my light off of my factory Fang lights. But with this harness, you want to take your plastic cover and put it back on. The nice thing with getting this connector from this wire is it's a thicker gauge wire, so you're not working with very small thin wire and run the risk of cutting it or breaking it. Just squeeze it back on. Push it back down inside. in, and you're good to go there. Now I'll show you guys where I ran my power to for these lights. So in my case, I have the Ride Command edition of my Rzr. So mine came from factory with the fang lights. Apologize for all the movement and bumping. So in my case, I take the cover off, reach inside here, and right back here on the driver's side is what I found is the best side, is you find this plug right here, unplug it, and when you run your power wire down, you want to expose and get your red wire. It will also have a white stripe on it as well. I don't know how well you guys can see that. Right here in front of my finger, this white stripe is your power wire. Tap into that. And then all you do is you just reinsert it into your fang once you get it tapped into, and you're done there. And like I said, it's pretty straightforward. I just never saw anybody show the pin or anything like that to see how it's done. So, see you guys in a minute whenever I grab the key, and I'll get it started up so you can see what it looks like.